You sit down to study, books open, highlighter ready, but then, bam! Your brain hits you with the most random thoughts. Did I reply to that text? What's for dinner? Wait, should I start a new hobby? Sound familiar? Stop. Let's fix this. If you struggle with focus while studying, here are 5 science-backed techniques to keep your brain locked in. And stick around until the end, because the last one is a game changer. 1. The brain dump method. Your brain loves to remind you of things at the worst times. Instead of letting these thoughts hijack your focus, write them down on a notepad. This is called the brain dump method. This simple trick clears your mental RAM, letting you focus without fear of forgetting. It's like giving your brain permission to let go of those nagging thoughts temporarily. 2. Pomodoro Technique. If you've ever told yourself, "I'll study for 3 hours straight," and then failed, you're not alone. Our brains aren't wired for marathon focus sessions. That's where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. Here's how it works. Study for 25 to 50 minutes of deep focus, then take a 5 to 10 minute break. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times, then take a longer break. It's like interval training for your brain. This keeps your brain fresh, prevents burnout, and makes studying feel less overwhelming. Plus, the breaks give you something to look forward to. 3. The 2-minute rule. Ever find yourself procrastinating because a task feels too big? The 2-minute rule is here to save the day. Here's the rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. If it's a bigger task, just start with 2 minutes. For example, if you need to start an essay, write just 1 sentence. If you need to study, open the book and read just 1 paragraph. Once you start, momentum takes over. Starting is often the hardest part. The 2-minute rule tricks your brain into taking that first step, and the rest becomes easier. 4. Remove temptation. Let's face it, your phone is like a magnet for distractions. One notification can destroy your focus in seconds. Here's the solution. Use Do Not Disturb mode. Keep your phone in another room, or use apps like Forest to stay locked in. If it's out of sight, it's out of mind. Removing temptations creates a distraction-free zone, so you can focus on what really matters. Hang on. The best one is coming. These techniques are great, but if you want to take your studying to the next level, this last one is a total game changer. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Here it is. Active recall. Instead of passively reading your notes, test yourself on the material. This forces your brain to retrieve information, which strengthens memory and understanding. Studies show that active recall is one of the most effective ways to learn. It's like a workout for your brain. Pushing it to remember builds mental muscle. Pro tip 1. If you have past papers or practice quizzes, use them. Testing yourself with real exam questions is one of the best ways to prepare. And here's a secret. Most test papers repeat questions from past exams. By practicing with past papers, you're essentially getting a sneak peek at what could show up on your actual test. Pro tip 2. No quizzes? No problem. Use tools like ChatGPT to create your own. Just ask it to generate questions based on your study material. For example, create 10 multiple-choice questions on photosynthesis. It's that easy. Active recall isn't just about memorizing, it's about understanding. By testing yourself, you'll identify gaps in your knowledge and focus on what really matters. And when you combine this with past papers or ChatGPT quizzes, you're setting yourself up for success. Distractions will always be there, but your discipline is what sets you apart. Every moment you stay focused is a step closer to your dreams. And with active recall, you're not just studying, you're studying smarter. Comment "Focus Mode On" if you're ready to level up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to crush your goals. See you in the next one.